Each one of you 4th and 5th graders is going to get the opportunity to design something that could be 3D printed. So there's going to be 2 categories. The first is going to be a 3D printed part, and the second is going to be a 3D printed artwork.
Well, here we are at Freshmade 3D, and we have the parts that were printed. We're going to get those ready to make stronger using our processes here. But first, I just want to briefly take a look at these parts. You saw them when they were pulled out of the printer. They were covered with sand, and they came with brushes and pulled them out and cleaned them off. And we're handling them somewhat as if they were fragile parts, because you can see if, we're cleaning this and oops, oh no, I dropped it, it broke. So once we have the part all cleaned and ready to go, then it's just a matter of applying resin in different ways. It's kind of like a sponge. How do you get a sponge wet? Well, you could dip it in water, you could spray it with water, you could brush water onto it. We have several different ways where we make our parts here at Freshmade 3D. But it all has to do with strengthening the original printed sand to make it stronger and useful in some way.